Time for today's three-stock lunch, where we look at three big movers of the day. Here with our trades, Gina Sanchez, Lido Advisors chief market strategist, also a CNBC contributor, and a member of our stock draft. We'll get to that in a minute. Up first, though, is IBM. That one getting an upgrade from Evercore ISI to outperform from Inline, also raising the price target there to $200. The stock is up about 2% today, nearing its highest level since 2014. That's 10 years. Gina, your trade on IBM.
So we've been holding this stock, and it's been a great holding for us. However, it is now above its PE average, and that's a challenge, but it's growing, and it is, continuing to put one foot in front of the other. We're seeing some slowdown in terms of tech spending, but IBM's consulting division has not really had to feel it as much as the rest of the industry.
Okay, up next we have AT&T. It's a stock that got an upgrade from Oppenheimer. The stock has been a laggard, but analysts think it stands to benefit from several tailwinds. Shares of AT&T up about 2% today. Gina, how do you trade this one?
So this is a challenge. This is a stock we like. We don't currently own it except in our passive strategies. But, yes, it has definitely been it has had a rough ride making those investments into capacity in their wireless and wireline businesses. And they should start to get some, expected earnings out of that. But if you look forward, the expected earnings for this are still somewhat low, somewhat into the 4 to 5%, earnings range. So it's coming out in a slowing environment. So that's the challenge for it, but it's trading really cheap. So that's its advantage.
All right, let's move on to SLB, which is nowhere near as fun as saying Schlumberger. The oilfield services company lifts its dividend as strong international drilling boosts earnings. Shares up about 2%. Your trade on SLB.
So this is also an interesting one that's been a dog for years. This is very highly tied to oil. So as oil prices have been lagging, so has drilling, but drilling has picked up. And if you look into their earnings report, it was international drilling that really supported this. And, the continued tail risk of unrest in the Middle East continues to be something that could that could cause an immediate need for oil drilling. But even the longer term need is that as interest rates start to at least stabilize and eventually we start to get some cuts maybe in the second half of the year in 2024, we should get past the slowdown and we should see demand pick up. That's good for oil. That will be good for Schlumberger.
All right. Thank you very much, Gina. But before we let you go, just 3 weeks away now from the Super Bowl, and that means the end of our 2023 stock draft competition. The leaders, as we come down to the wire, Charlotte Flair with a commanding lead of 86 percentage points, thanks to her top pick, NVIDIA, followed by Tori Dunlap and Ryan Reynolds, that guy again. Gina, you and Diamond DeShields are in fifth place, up 11% since the draft, with your picks of PayPal and Google. If you only had Google, you'd be in even better shape. PayPal has been the drag here.
Absolutely. I feel like we've been the fulcrum around which everybody has gone. Google, great performer. Our thesis there was that even if we saw slowing, that all ad spend would go to the strongest, advertising platforms, and Google is that. They also have a cloud play that's definitely a big part of their story, and we think that sort of continues even though it is slowing, and they are a leader in AI, and they probably will continue to be. So that was the story there. It was a higher price stock in rising interest rates. That was a challenge, but it performed really well. PayPal, on the other hand, we were sort of banking on the fact that it is still one of the cheapest ways to access payments. Its expected earnings growth is still very strong. And quite frankly, over the last 3 months, it's been a stellar performer, but it just has not gotten over the losses that we sort of, endured at the beginning of the stock draft. So it's strengthening up, but it may not get there by the time we get to the end of this.
It's like scoring a touchdown while you're down 45-0, like the Cowboys did last week, whatever it was.
Oh, yeah.
There you go, Cowboy fans.
Go Pack. Go Pack.
All right, Gina Sanchez, thanks.